And the race is on. Yona mismo fast to begin Brisensen alongside its wings beneath by the Red's Bright Olympian. Bondi Babe, Kitten Champ, and Jumping Jonah. Yona mismo followed by Brisensen down on the inside is Bright Olympian and on the outside is Wings beneath. And rounding the far turn, Yona mismo by half a length, followed by Bright Olympian. Wings Beneath is now running in third by about 2 lengths as they race the last 500. Yona mismo, this time by a length and a half. Bright Olympian running in second and moving up by the row is Risen Sun. And during the last 200 meters more to run, Yona mismo by about 3 lengths now. Bright Olympian is running in second. Risen Sun rushing up Kitten's Champ and nearing the finish line. Yona mismo, the horse of Mr. Jojo Velasquez. Bright Olympian, Kitten's Champ, Risen Sun, number 3 Bondi Babe, Wings Beneath, and Jumping Jonah.
Okay, 5, 2, 6, 4, 3.